Let's take a look at the new Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender from Virgin Media. They are still using the white pods as well. In fact, they refer to this as the black pod. The white pods are Wi-Fi 5. This is Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is a lot better at managing Wi-Fi traffic in busy homes. Virgin say, and I quote, "Wi-Fi Max is our promise you'll enjoy download speeds of at least 30 Mbps in every room or get £100 bill credit." So that includes the black and the white pods. Wi-Fi Max is free for Gig 1 customers. If you are not a Gig 1 customer and you want to get Wi-Fi Max, I think it's £8 a month. So the pod works the same way. Virgin Media pre-configure it. All you need to do is plug it in, wait around 10 minutes for it to set up. Once setup is complete, the light will turn white. It uses the same SSID and password as your Virgin Media hub. Remember, you place it halfway from the hub because it gets its Wi-Fi power from the hub. Wi-Fi power, I think that's the right word. Anyway, you get the idea. To find out what devices are connected to it, you will need to use the Virgin Media Connect app. This is what's included inside the box. Let's get started. Power adapter. It's got a decent cord, this. So you'll notice this comes with a power adapter, and the white one, they plug straight onto the socket. So this, you will need to place it somewhere. At the bottom, he has two rubber pads. It's got plenty of airflow, this. That's the Virgin Media logo. WPS button there. Nothing on this side. Some information here is letting us know it is Wi-Fi 6. So we get two 1 gigabit Ethernet ports. Connect to your gaming console, and you could connect to your smart TV or even your PC. Power port, reset, on off. When I first received this, I couldn't find any information regarding the specs. All I knew, it's Wi-Fi 6. So I went on X, or Twitter if you want to call it that, and reached out to Mark from ISP Review. He sent me this. Any information you need regarding internet, visit his website. I'll link it in the description box below. So if you want to know if fiber is coming to your area or what's going on in the internet world, click the link in the description box below. So it lights up blue first, and within 10 minutes it will turn white. I have been using mine, so mine won't take 10 minutes. It'll be quicker than that before it turns white. So this Wi-Fi pod isn't bad at all. It does its job really well, especially if you have many Wi-Fi 6 devices. However, do remember, if there are many Wi-Fi users in the house, the hub can't really handle it. And in that situation, the Wi-Fi pod can't really do anything. In that case, you will benefit from buying your own equipment. I have a playlist with home networking product reviews. I'll pin it in the comment section below if you're interested. We used to have the white pods as well. They're Wi-Fi 5. They worked pretty well as well. Not as good as this. In my opinion, this black pod is better than the white pod because it's Wi-Fi 6. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.